You said, Secretary of State, right from the start, we've tried to throw a protective ring around our care homes. What was that protective ring?
Well, I think the most important words in that sentence are that we tried to. Mm-hmm. It was very hard. And all of these deaths in care homes, each and every death in a care home weighs heavily on me and always will. And we knew from the start, from very early in January, that the impact of this disease was most significant on the oldest, and therefore care homes were going to be a particular risk. With respect to the provision of PPE to the health and social care sector, that is my responsibility as Secretary of State. But the other thing I'd say is that we've looked into this, and there's no evidence that I have seen that a shortage of PPE provision led to anybody dying of COVID. Now, that is from the evidence that I have seen. And what I do know, though, is that PPE provision was tight, and it was difficult throughout the world. But we did manage, it was pretty close sometimes, but we did manage to ensure that there was at a national level we had the PPE, and then distribution was a challenge to all areas.
Thank you, Secretary of State. That's quite a bold claim. It would be really good if you could share that evidence.
So then I remember the moment around the cabinet table when I said, we are going to have to tell everybody to stop all social contact. Right. And I remember thinking, this is the most extraordinary thing that I've ever said. And the Prime Minister said, yes, we are. You better go and tell them.